my channel. So today we are going to see how to download Anaconda Navigator. So what is meant by Anaconda Navigator? Let's see. Anaconda is an open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for data science that aims to simplify package management and deployment. The Anaconda distribution comes with over 250 packages automatically installed. Over 7,500 additional open source packages can be installed from PyPI as well as the Conda package and the virtual environment manager. Okay, let's see how to download the Anaconda Navigator. So let's go to the Anaconda website. Yes, I am typing first one, Anaconda website. I will give the link of the Anaconda website. Then you can easily go to the website and download the Anaconda Navigator. So after this one, here is three options: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. I am Windows user, so I am clicking download as Windows. Here is 1 minute, I will show. It is 621 MBs. Oh god. If you not having the Wi-Fi, it will take time of 10 or 15 minutes, not more than that one. If you having the Wi-Fi, it will take 2 or 3 minutes. Over. So okay, after this download, we can start our setup file. So okay, my setup has been completed. So I am clicking this Anaconda setup file. Okay, setup Anaconda 3 2022.10 64-bit setup. I'm clicking next. License agreement, agree. I agree. Just me or all users. We click all users. Then click next. It will ask the administration. Browse. After that, you need to select a path for the folder. So in this PC data, I am creating a folder, new folder, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, we are getting this one to outside of the path. Okay, after that you need to click next. 1 minute. I am having the Anaconda app, so I am not downloading this file. You need to click the install. After that, it will install. It been half an hour because it is 3.7 GB. So that it will take time for half an hour. So I am opening my Spider. When you download the Anaconda Navigator, it will download the Spider by itself. So I am clicking this one. So my Spider is going to open. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Please wait. It is open. Spider 3 loading IP Python console. Everything. System error. Now. So, small code, print, hi, coding, hi, kids coding agar mulai, computer, udah baik. Save on the folder, double quotes, and the folder. Here it is, Sai Kids Coding Academy Computer Academy. So, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, If you like this video, please like and share. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.